Now look your question number 13. Which number we will reach if we move 9 number to the right of minus 2? To the right of minus 2. So first you have to write minus 2. And after that you have to make like box and consider the direction. If you will go in this direction, this is the left and this direction is your right. Now after mention your direction, now look at. Here is asking right of minus 2. So you will move in right one direction. And how many steps? 9 numbers. So like that 1, this is a 1 moving, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then answer will come your 7. This is the first. Now second one. Which number we will reach if we move 4 number to the left of minus 4? Same as you have to write here again minus 4 here and make a box. Mention your direction. This is the left and this is your right. We are moving in which direction? Left. And how many steps? 4 numbers. You have to draw left direction line and then after increasing the digit like that minus 5, minus 6, consecutively minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. How many steps you have to move? 4. So 1, 2, 3 and this is the 4. And after moving this 4 then you will get the digit your minus 8. This is your answer, minus 8. Next, third one. If we are at minus 7, we are at minus 7. Suppose here I am writing here minus 7, mention same thing. And after that, in which direction and how many steps should we move to reach 8? If we will look at here minus 7 and you want to go to 8 number, you want to go to 8 number, you know it very well. When you are going in right hand side direction, that number itself will be positive. When you will move left hand side direction, then your number should be negative. We want 8 number or 8 number is your positive, so we will move in right direction. Okay, I hope so understand. First you have to decide your direction. So we decided our direction according to the digit. Now after that, here you have to draw this number line till 8. Minus 7. After that, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and here will be continue. I am writing it down 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then last is your 8. You want to finish your thing till 8. This number line is continuously, here is not a space, that's why I am writing down 1. Now, first answer you already got, right direction. Second, how many steps you will take to reach 8 number. So you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0 to 1. 0 to 1, here will become 0. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many steps you have to take to reach 8? 15 steps and right direction. This is your answer of your question number 3. C1. 13C. If you are at minus 7 on the number line, in which direction? Right direction, because the 8 number is asking, and how many steps we should move. Same as in this one, we are at minus 7. If you are on minus 7, you are going, you want to reach on minus 12. Then minus 12 will become in this direction, and here this direction is your left direction. Then you got the direction is your left. Now after that you have to increasing your order, increasing your number till minus 12, and after that you have to count how many steps you have to cover it. Now let us start your exercise 6.2. Before starting your exercise 6.2, I want to explain you some integer rules. See, If you think 2 sine, it means the result will become minus minus plus. You have to remember this rules, integer rule. If you again see one digit is a plus and second digit is a minus, then it's your result will be minus. Same as minus, one digit is your minus and second digit is your plus. The result is your minus plus minus. प्लस प्लस, अगर 2 डिजिट प्लस की है तो आंसर तुम्हारा किस में आएगा? प्लस में आएगा. दिस इज द डिविजिबल इंटीजर रूल. These are the integer root. You have to learn minus minus plus. Again you have to repeat it. Maybe it will be easy for you and easily you can learn it also. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, plus plus plus. You have to learn, it is a necessary before starting 6.2. You have to learn this integer rule. Now how to solve integer in number line. How to solve integer on number line. You will learn in this exercise. This topic you have to learn in this exercise. How? Suppose it's given 5 more than minus 3. We want to the answer of 5 more than minus 3. You have to solve this question on number line. How can you solve it? You have to draw a number line. First of all, you mention the 0 and mention first of all after the then word what the digit you can see? Minus 3. So you have to draw also minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. First you have to order first number which is given minus 3, and after that the positive number you can see it, and you want to move 5 more than positive number. You will go in positive one direction, and positive direction in where is it? In right side direction. So how many steps you have to move? If you draw one thing here and next number is showing that you are moving that step. How many steps? 5 steps. Then you move 5 steps like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this last your 5. 0. After the 0 number will come 1 and then 2. Your answer is your 2. 2 is your answer. I hope you understand how to solve integer on number line. This is the statement given and we have to solving like that. One more example you can see. Second example I am taking like that. 5 plus minus 6. How can you solve in this number line? You have to fix one digit on number line. If you fix one digit like 5, I am fixing in number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. One digit you have to fix. You can fix minus 6 also, 5 also, depend on you. I am fixing 5, and here my starting point. Here my starting point, and which step move? See next one digit minus 6. It means you are going in left hand side direction. Negative integer are there. It means you are moving in left direction. So you are moving left direction. How many steps? 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. And what number will become before 0? Minus 1. Then your answer is minus 1. Third, you can see more example. I am taking here minus 3, then after again plus minus 3. What is the answer of this one? Again think about one digit and block it. Minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. I block this minus 3 here, and after that, so I block this digit, and how many steps I move depend on another one digit, this one, and this digit is your negative. It means you will go in left hand direction. Negative, if you will see negative integer, in which direction you have to move? Left. अगर आपके पास में पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होगा तो आप कहाँ पे मूव होंगे? राइट. You have to learn this negative integer left direction, positive integer right direction. So next step is your minus 3. So this number is your negative, so you have to move in left hand side direction. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. And after this arrow sign you have to write the consecutively digit, like minus 3 the number will come minus 4, minus 5 and then minus 6. Your answer is your minus 6. I hope so. It is a very example 5 less than minus 3. Same process for then. Here we have to done then. If you see this word then, and we are taking first digit is your minus 3. After then word, what is the digit? If you will see, you have to take first. Same as here also, but you have to do some one more step, like then you have to write here minus 3. What is the mean of less than? Means subtraction, and after the remaining one digit is also 5. Now again you have to draw your number 9. You have to mention your 0. What is your first digit? Minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and you have to block your minus 3. Now next one number is your minus 5. Because less, that's why I am writing here minus. Less than, it means minus. Here if we are comparing them for more than, what the equation you can create it? Minus 3 you have to write first. More than means plus, and the remaining one digit 5. Here this minus 5, it means negative integer. If you will see, then you will move on left hand direction. So you have to move how many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now, and according to this arrow you have to write consecutively digit. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and this number is your minus 8. So your answer is minus 8. I hope so understand less than and more than concept. Now question number 5. I am taking one more example. Suppose minus 1 plus minus 1, and here is also plus 3. How can you do this one? Here I am writing minus 2. Take first minus 1, 0, and here minus 1. You have to block this one minus 1. And next one digit minus 2. It means you have to move left direction, negative left direction. How many steps? 2 steps. 1 and 2. If you move 2 direction, the number will be minus 3. Then you solve only this 2 digit. Remaining 3 is here. So you have to make a circle, because our solution is not completed. Now how many steps you have to move? 3 steps. This 3 is your positive. So you have to move in right side direction. 1, 2 and 3. If you move right side direction, then you will get 0. So your answer is 0. You have to solve these questions. These are the example. No need to do in your copy. I will tell you related to exercise which question you have to do in your copy. This is your exercise 6.2. Do these 2 questions using this number line. Write the integer which is this question and this question. You have to do completely. Question number 2, question number 4 as a homework. Now it's time to quiz time. Use number line and add these 2 questions and give answer in comment box.